welcome to my channel. My name is Taj. Today we'll be making hot chocolate bombs. Let's get started. We need chocolate powder, mini marshmallows, red food coloring. First we melt the chocolate. Now we put red food coloring, and this is optional. Now we prepare our heart mold. Now we're going to coat our heart mold with the chocolate, and we make sure we get all the sides. Now we're going to freeze it until it hardens. I took the mold out of the freezer. Now we'll remove the chocolate from the mold. Now I'm going to put mini marshmallows. And 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder. Now we melt the edge of the chocolate and place it on top and press down gently. It's time to decorate our heart. I'll be decorating it with the fondant. It's time to taste. We'll place our hard chocolate in the mug. And pour hot milk. Yummy, it tastes so good. Thank you for watching.